Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video I will show you how to fix Instagram chat theme not showing. As you can see, I don't have this feature, but we will fix that. And before that, you can go and smash the like button and also subscribe to our channel. So that being said, let's fix our problem. First we have to go to Instagram. You don't need to install any app. We will have to go to our profile. As you can see, I have a professional account, so this feature is not available for professional accounts, so that may be the problem. We will go right here in the upper corner, then go to settings, then go to account, and in the bottom of the page click on switch account type, and we will switch it to personal account. So after that, we have to restart the app, go to your messages, and see if you now have that feature. We'll have to go and uninstall our Instagram app and then install it again, so the feature will appear. Then go to Play Store or Apple Store, whatever you have. Go to Instagram and install the app again. Open it and log in with your account. Then go to Messages. They are already telling us about some new features. Then if it still doesn't work, you have to go to Settings, go to Apps, and then search for Instagram. And you have to allow all the permissions. As you can see, to me, no permissions are allowed. We have to go to Permissions, go to Camera, and Allow. Then go out of here, go to Storage, and clear the cache and the data. Then go back to Instagram and see if the feature was added, and if it didn't, you have to go to Play Store again and update the app. And if it still doesn't appear, you just have to restart your phone, and then it will definitely appear that theme. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. You can comment down below if it was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.